No, sorry. The birds are not migrating, okay? They're not. In North America, the birds migrate in late summer through the fall and late winter through the spring. We are in the beginning of January. We're barely in the beginning of the real winter. It's not migration time. Wake the fuck up. Seriously. Enough is enough. It's time to accept that things are not normal. Weird patterns.
This has been going on for days.
Weird behaviors. This is not normal. Where are they going?
They're going somewhere.
Where?
Oh my God.
It's not migration time. Migration time, whatever. It's not. Wake up.
Are they? Listen to them all.
They're
Oh my
partying.
God.
No, not at all.
Wow.
What is happening? Seriously, what is happening?
Like, this bird is in one place. Like, what the fuck?
Not normal. Stop playing a 5D chess trying to explain what doesn't have an obvious explanation. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Shit is fine.